Good afternoon. My name is Joanne Bellizeare, and I am CEO and founder of JB's Men of Distinction. I want to ask a question. How do you feel when a well-dressed man walks by you? I know for me, I get butterflies. Sometimes I get weak in the knees. But on a trip that I went back to visit my family recently, my favorite nephew was coming to see me. Georgie just graduated from college and landed his dream job as being a basketball coach. I'm like, wow, I'm excited. So when I saw him, he was staring blankly at the TV, not moving, not having that excitement that I anticipated. And I just looked at him. And he said, Auntie, why does this keep happening? Why the brothers who look like me keep getting shot down in the prime of their life? Why? What's happening? I couldn't answer him. I didn't know. All I could say to him, and at that time, was to say, be strong and just hold him. Hold him in that moment. The next thing, he gets up. He goes, Auntie, I need a favor from you, a big one. I'm like, Georgie, sure, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm back home to celebrate you. He goes, I want you to take me shopping. I'm like, shopping? Now he's 21. I'm like, okay. He said, you know me better than the people, most of the people in our family. He said, and your style is dope. And he said, and you understand me and you understand my style. And I want to keep my edge, but I want to be respectful on how I look on the basketball court because I'm coaching all girls. I said, wow. And at that moment, I said, my services as being a wardrobe and image consultant for men came to life. And that's why I have JB's Men of Distinction. My company is going to empower and enable men to stand tall in their personal brand, regardless of the clothes that they have on. I will shop in uncommon stores to create uncommon looks for common people. I want all men, regardless of where they stand in life, to be comfortable in their own skin and to be respected for who they are. Together, we are going to create joy, love, and abundance. So, visit my website, www.jbjai, capital B, mode.com. Thank you.